Hello viewers, Fatavir here. Welcome back to my channel. As you all know, it has been a long time since I posted a video on my channel. I have been busy due to exams. Nevertheless, I'm free now and planning to make several portraits and landscapes along with some videos of it as well. Here I made a pencil portrait of Cilian Murphy as Thomas Shelby from Peaky Blinders. I hope you all would like it. So please watch this video till the end and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here.